Decorating your living room walls is a great way to make your space feel fresh, modern, and inviting. Whether your style is simple and clean or bold and colorful, there are plenty of ways to create a stunning look. Here are some creative and practical ideas to inspire you. Start by thinking about the overall theme of your room. Modern designs often focus on clean lines, minimal clutter, and a balanced color palette. Choosing neutral tones like white, gray, or beige for your walls creates a calm and elegant base. If you prefer more energy in your space, consider adding bold accent colors like deep blue, emerald green, or mustard yellow. These colors can be introduced through wall art, decorative pieces, or even painted sections of the wall. One of the most popular ways to decorate modern walls is with artwork. Large, oversized prints or canvas pieces can become the focal point of the room. Abstract designs, geometric patterns, or even black and white photography are perfect for creating a modern vibe. If you prefer a more personal touch, a gallery wall is a fantastic option. Mix framed family photos with artistic prints to create a meaningful display that feels organized yet creative. Another smart idea is using floating shelves. They are both stylish and functional. Use them to display books, plants, or small decorative items. For a clean and organized look, keep your shelf decor simple and stick to a consistent color scheme. For those who love texture, try adding wooden panels, stone cladding, or 3D wall tiles. These materials add depth to your walls and create a rich, layered look. They work especially well behind sofas or TV units, adding warmth and character to the room. If you're looking for something simpler, consider wall decals or stickers. Modern designs with abstract shapes, botanical patterns, or motivational quotes can enhance your walls without much effort. Another trendy idea is to create an accent wall using paint. Instead of painting all 4 walls the same color, choose one wall to feature a bold shade or pattern. This instantly draws attention and adds a modern flair. Lighting also plays a huge role in enhancing wall decor. Install wall sconces, LED strip lights, or even stylish lamps to highlight specific features like artwork or textured walls. Soft, warm lighting can create a cozy atmosphere, while cool lighting adds a sleek, contemporary feel. Lastly, consider adding plants for a natural touch. Wall-mounted planters or hanging vines can bring life to empty spaces and add a refreshing vibe to your living room. By combining these ideas, you can create a modern living room that feels stylish, comfortable, and personal. Mix textures, colors, and decorative elements to find the perfect balance that suits your taste.